ready?
How evil is this mission?
It's not too bad till the...
Holy shit, is that a
yeah.
flamethrower, dude?
Oh yeah, they're all flamethrower dudes.
Kind of fucked him up. Oh!
You can blow up their flamethrowers on the back, by the way.
I assumed so. I just couldn't. I couldn't really see him. Are you using your new gun right now?
I'm using my marksman rifle just so I can snipe their flamethrowers.
That was sexy.
That was sexy.
Oh, Bubbs, behind you!
Ow! Ow!
Got him.
Okay. The guy was just wrecking us. I want a hat. Feel naked without a hat.
Did you start a new character?
I had to. Since I played the beta before, but it didn't count.
Oh.
See, now you gotta pick that up and put it in there. Gee, over here. Yeah, you gotta pick that up. You gotta put it in this box.
Just like a white man, to be making me do all the work.
Yeah, well, I thought you wanted to.
You're right. That felt pretty awesome.
Yeah, and now they gon' come run through here.
No more bleeding current into Lower Manhattan. A couple more hacks like that, and we're in business. They're here. Get 'em.
Wait, is it just these people? Left side.
There's still more bosses. There's still more to the mission.
Oh. Are we good?
Yep.
What's over there to the... I think... Is there anything to the left?
So,
I didn't see anything on the map.
that was you, right? Thought so.
Oh, that's right. There's a little... Alright, never mind. Hostiles? Oh shit, they're right there! Bubbs, on my screen you weren't even aiming at the guy. What's up here?
That's awesome.
Oh, just a little snipey spot?
Probably.
My sniping is sucking right
I
now.
love sniping those gas tanks.
Haha, you're... Oh, say, do you just need to... Oh, so you just need to shoot it once. Hey, guy, do you...
Get off me!
Oh.
Ah.
Guy coming in along the... Yeah, flamer. Yeah.
This was a bad idea. I regret all decisions. Okay, I lived.
Dang it! I tried quick fire. Okay, now I think there's another guy right...
Yep. Oh, he ran. He ran.
I think one's flanking to the right.
Yeah, he's right there.
My accuracy sucks.
Got him.
I still gotta kind of get used to
guy
the
over here.
controls. Yeah, he's dead. Oh, is there a guy behind me?
Yep, he's up top.
He's dead. I just threw a grenade. He's screwed.
I shot him in the face.
Wait, what's up here? Are you supposed to go through the doorway?
Yeah, but I didn't check up there. There might be something up there.
Are you coming with me?
I'm just
there's
letting
a
you
box.
tell me if there's any. Oh!
Oh, blue gun!
Totally coming up.
Blue gun!
I need to get
It's
up
an
there.
AK. I got a classic AK-47.
If it doesn't give me a gun, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm mainly jealous, but pissed.
I didn't.
Right?
Never seen a blue gun before.
I got blue gloves. God damn it. Oh, this is the thing we gotta pick up. Here, I'll do the work this time.
Yeah.
We gotta walk a ways this time, so cover me.
Wait, I gotta reload. Oh, shit. Wait, oh shit. I'm about to die, I'm about to die, I'm about to die, I'm about to die. Bubbs!
Yeah.
I'm right here.
Are you dead?
No, I'm staying right here.
Okay. I dropped my turret, so. Even though it's probably not doing really anything. Ah, loot!
Oh, that's right, we have health packs. This way.
Yeah, you also have health packs. Oh, hey, there's loot over there, too. Man, people dropping all kinds of loot. Here, I'm gonna drop that right there real fast. Go grab this loot. Dang. Alright, I'm coming back now. Oh, God!
I'm sorry, oh, man, oh, Bubbs! Oh!
Gee, I gotcha! You didn't stand inside the circle, you...
What circle? Oh,
where I shot the thing. I shot it and it flew past you instead.
My guy looks pissed.
Because he's black. I mean, it's because he's pissed.
I thought you were gonna go because he's black. Nice save, yeah.
Hey, I did it.
Yay, assault rifle ammo.
There we go. Hope you can see in the dark, because I need you in the control room to wrap this thing up. Sooner we get out of this fucking crypto.
Should I put one of those sniper rifle scopes on my AK?
I don't think you can.
You want to see me try?
I'm pretty sure. I think you can put the ACOG on, but I don't think you can put the
Hang on a second.
sniper scope on.
Hey, Bubbs.
Testing.
Bubbs.
All right, this will be.
Bubbs, come look at my sniper rifle. I mean, my assault rifle.
Getting to work in the control room now.
Your AK? Do you have the sniper rifle on?
Yeah.
on it?
I took it off the carbine since I knew I wasn't going to use it.
Just want to give you a heads up. It's gonna get real dark, real fast.
That's interesting.
Base unless they do a reboot, so everything's gonna shut down for a minute.
Because, you know, it's like, you don't use a reflex sight on it very much anyways, right?
Well, fuck me. They went
True.
down the line with the generators. I guess Sandy taught someone in procurement a lesson, because these suckers can stand up to anything. They're a bitch to retool, but maybe we'll get lucky.
I'm not even listening to this guy.
Yeah, there'll be a.
Is he a bad guy?
What do you know? It's a
No, he's the guy that we're supposed to save. He's rebooting this stuff now, and then we're gonna have to defend it.
clean it. I thought you took care of these guys.
Where are they? Oh, they're coming out that door over there. I'm pretty sure.
They're right. Yeah, they're right here.
Oh,
Oh, gee, there's a guy behind you.
I know, I'm reloading. I'm always reloading this gun.
Got him. They're coming from behind you now. They'll be guys.
Oh, this?
Over. Yep. Nice. There we go. And then now they'll be coming from the door over here.
I need to get like a, I need extended mags on this gun.
That's more of your people in the elevator.
Alright, now there'll be guys
They
on the
said
elevator.
elevator,
Don't
so.
have anyone else on site.
Where's the elevator?
Down below. Down below. I wouldn't go down there if I were you.
Well, I was just wondering.
I'm just going down here to set up my turret.
Oh, it's a boss!
Yep.
That guy first. Oh shit. Guy's up here too. Here, let's take out the boss first.
Alright, I'm focusing on this guy.
I shot his tank. There we go.
Alright, his armor's dead. Alright, he's
Yeah,
dead.
he's dead, he's dead. Two guys, they were just up top, they're going down though. Or at least one of them did.
Alright, I'm getting the
I don't know, I think the other one's still up top, I'll go get him.
The other one's under the stairs. He's under the stairs.
Yeah!